Hello world, my name is Blake McBride, and today I'm going to be introducing you all to a new Google Chrome extension called Historian, which allows you to intelligently organize and visualize your search history. Today, we're browsing more than ever before, and if you've ever had to, for example, write a paper that required you to go and connect a bunch of information from a variety of online sources, and your Google Chrome tabs looked something like this, Historian is definitely the extension you need. Historian uses a combination of API fetch and post requests to send your recent browsing history over to a local server, which will then cluster the web pages you visited based on their similarity with respect to each other. This is done using an agglomerative hierarchical clustering algorithm originally conceived by mathematician Bjorn Murta. Once your data has been processed and the algorithm has been implemented on the server side, Historian will then create a dendrogram to visualize your searches and display it for you back in the extension. A dendrogram is a branching tree-like diagram that represents the relationships of similarity among a group of entities. In this case, our entities are going to be the web pages that we send over to the server. If you want to use Historian for yourself, you can. In the next section, I'm going to go over a few simple steps to get Historian up and running on your local machine so you can visualize your own searches. The first thing we need to do is get a copy of the repository on your local machine so you can run the code. You can do this by simply navigating to the repo hosted on GitHub and clicking on clone. You can use whatever cloning method you prefer, HTTP, SSH, it's up to you. After cloning the repository, the next thing we need to do is load the unpacked extension into Google Chrome so you can actually use the extension in your browser. Once the extension has been successfully loaded into Google Chrome, you can simply run the demo.py script located in the root folder of the directory you downloaded to see a demonstration of how Historian works. This script will install all required dependencies for Python, it will open up some sample web pages in your browser, and it will start running the local server on your machine so you can send data from the front end to the back end. From here, you should be able to select the Historian extension in the top right corner of your browser and click on Visualize Searches to see your results. If you encounter any issues while trying to set up the app, you can refer to more comprehensive instructions detailed in the README. You should try to visit some more web pages across a variety of topics to see how Historian will visualize your searches. And that's it. In this presentation, we've covered what Historian is, how to get it set up on your local machine, and how you can use it to visualize your searches. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to give a star to the GitHub repository. It really helps to highlight all the hard work that's gone into this project. And until next time, happy coding and thanks for watching.